Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 BMW 750 Li. This one's a sapphire black. Underneath the hood is a V8 pushing out 400 horsepower. For wheels we've got 19-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black Napa leather interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our 750 Li badging, a power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats. This one does come with the driver's assistance package, a keyless entry, a nice ash wood trim, power windows, power seats, heated steering wheel. There are functions for our driver's assistance package right here. We've got steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, our radio, dual climate controls, heated seats and cooled seats, cup holders, automatic transmission. This BMW has 89,458 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this BMW, check out feldmannimports.com.